dun dun. Oh, man, it's so hot. And it's night out, but it's supposed to be cold at night. The news lied to us. Why did it have to lie? Why? At least I have my Tropicana juice right here. This is my favorite cranberry. Can you see that? Cranberry's good like Tropicana. I mean, it's just amazing. I want some more. That's much better. Why do you drink that so much? I mean, come on. It's just juice. You just drink it every time. Why do you drink it every time? Because it's delicious. And cranberry is my favorite fruit. It's always been your favorite fruit. It has always been? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to bed. See you guys. Good night. Why is it so dark all of a sudden? It's night. You know, I feel tired myself. I want to go to sleep too. Good night. Okay, good night. Looks like it's just you and me, Bendy guy. Yeah, you're right. It's just you and me. Want to sit by the chair right there? Sure. Cranberry's mine. Come on, stupid chair. Favorite spot. I know, what? Even though at least I have my chocolate candy. So fresh. I mean, it's so good, right? Yeah, you and your cranberries. Oh, I know. Ooh. Any favorites? Favorites? You just told me that last time on the episode 4. So watch it. Yeah, you should. Yeah, but I'm talking about that, what's your favorite fruit? You seriously want to know? I seriously want to know. So, please tell me. Oh, fine. It's apple. You've got to be kidding me. Your favorite fruit is apple? Is that it? Just apple? And pears. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I'm tired. I will sleep right here with my cranberry juice. Good night. Yeah, good night. Ow. Looks like I finally came here. Huh, shoot. Looks like I'm about to get Mario over revenge. I've always wanted to kill Mario, and now I'm finally will. This is it. Mario's gonna get the better for his life. as I am Stuffed Animal Man. I have a stupid name called Stuffed Animal Man, and I don't like it. Just look at my hand. It got bit by one. For real. Okay, so anyways, I'm about to get this Mario and defeat him forever. He must pay for what he did. Well, for coming here. He can't be here. And I've always wanted to kill Mario because I hate him. His video games suck. And right now, he's going to pay. Let's do this. I'm coming, Mario! Dun, 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 dun. What was that? What? Who's there? Hello? I gotta get off this chair. That chair has to stop moving. Hello? Is anyone there? Is anyone there? Whoa! You just scared the heck out of me! Who are you? I am Stuffed Animal Man. Stuffed what? What did you say? I am Stuffed Animal Man. What do you expect to me for reading? Uh-oh. Her name's pretty stupid. That's it! I'm tired of people calling my name stupid. Now you're gonna get the beating of your life. Prepare for battle. I want a battle. Your video games suck, Mario. I don't like you. I've always wanted to kill you. That broke my heart. That's it. Now you're gonna pay. Let's fight. Yeah, how about we do it then? Engaging battle. Let's do this the old-fashioned way of Street Fighter. Just let me move this keyboard, and I will make this battle stage permanently awesome. Let's do this. Let's do this! Let's get ready, fight! Oh wait, we need an epic music for this one. Oh, come on, alright! Let me get the music! Okay, let's sit down. Oh wait, my iPod is... Okay, wait, my iPod is dead. Oh well, let's just start the fight. Get ready, fight! Ouch! Here we go! Fire! You little... Take my hand! Time to do this super fireball! Where'd he go? Ow! you're an interesting fighter. Thank you very much. But I think it's time for you to leave. Time to do this. Soldier bomb! What the? Take this, Mario. Yeah! Oh God. Boom! Take this. Super punch! I think I threw him away. Yay! No! Looks like he'll never beat me again. Yay! My God, I need it for the video. Looks like he's never coming back. Because it's so dark. Oh, what's the ruckus? No! Oh, look what you did! Now I can't see! Yeah, but the camera is not that good enough to see through dark! Hey! What's with all the ruckus? Even though it's so dark. How did it get so dark? I can't even see. Me either. What happened? Oh no. I think that soldier guy turned off the electricity. Maybe that's why it became so dark. What should we do? Okay. First of all, what are you talking about? Second of all, how are we gonna turn the lights back on? Yeah, man. I mean, it's not light. You'll never be able to see again. No computers. What do we do if there is no computers? I mean, come on. Yeah, I guess you're right. Hey, what just happened? I just heard a and then the light just blew off. What the heck just happened? The soldier just popped out of nowhere and then tried to beat me up. At least I beat him up, but he just got away and then he must have like turned off the electricity or somehow. I don't know why. But we have to stop him. Stop him? How would you do that? I think I have an idea. To be continued. And guess what, people? We made a question box. I mean, we made questions for you guys to answer. And we're gonna, and then we'll make a question for you. Okay, here's the very first question of the day for random characters. Okay, if there was no electricity, what would you do? Now, if you'd like to answer that question, please comment on the question